So we're going to do a little how-to video on how to remove a wing mirror off of Audi R8, Audi TTs are the same. Let's do it. So first of all, we've got to get the mirror out, which obviously you've got to be very careful getting your fingers in behind without breaking it. Trim removal tools are good, but you also can't really tell how much pressure you're putting on it. You've got to remove the cables from the back. These are very tight sometimes. These ones are usually really tight as well, just from where they've been on there so long. Don't know. Cool. So mirror off. Then we've got, if you look inside here, so we've got all this wiring we need to take out first. So we've got these bolts around the outside, one underneath as well, to get undone, just so you can get to all the wiring. Got this little Allen key in here, which can be a pain because they round off very, very easily, and they're always really tight. So now I've got the last bolt underneath, so you need to put it right back on itself, which is not going to release it now, like that. So you can get to this bolt underneath. And once like that, this will all come free. All the cables, oh, one more at the back down there, just for the indicator. You can get all these through the top, this little hole. Like so. That's the main cap off, so yeah, not an easy job, very fiddly. And then we've just got the last 3 bolts inside here to undo. Let's take that off, and then you've just got the cable which you can tuck out of the way.